Hello, my most amazing artists. Today I'm going to show you how to make a turtle using a paper plate and some construction paper. I made my pretty little shell using a coffee filter on top of a plate. I colored that coffee filter with markers, sprayed it with water, and when it was all dry, it leaves this pretty pattern on my plate for my shell. The next thing I need is the turtle parts, my head, my arms and legs, and my tail. So scissors and glue to get those attached and cut out. I need 5 of these kind of ovals with a flat edge. That's for my head and the arms and legs. So 1 head, 2 arms, 2 legs, and then a little triangle for the tail right there. So we're going to be using our scissors. Scissors have a small hole for our thumb and the big hole for the rest of our fingers. So the thumb should always be in there and your thumb should be visible on top like that. We don't want to be moving our hand all over when we cut. We want to keep our scissors moving forward, and instead of moving our hand with our scissors, we use our other hand to move our paper. Watch, I'll show you. I'm going to cut, keeping those scissors going forward. And when I get to a part where I need to turn, I just turn my paper and keep my scissors going forward, just like that. And turn and cut. And that'll make it nice and easy for your hands. I'm going to just skip ahead because I already cut these out. So let's skip. Now I'm going to arrange my pieces so I can figure out where my head is, where my arms and legs are, and make sure that I get those in the right spots on my turtle. So I'm going to figure out where I want to put those, and then I'm going to get my glue stick out. I don't need a lot of glue sticking out of the glue stick, just a teeny bit. So make sure we're not using way too much because that can mess up the glue stick. And then I'm going to take my glue stick and just draw a little line of glue where I need it to stick. And then when I go to press it on, I press and hold for about 5 seconds to really make sure my piece is stuck on there. So press and hold for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great. Now I'm just going to speed it up so you can see all of the pieces going on. All right, my turtle's all assembled. Now I can add details if I want. I can use some markers and draw a little face. I can add details to the shell if I want. It's my turtle, so I can be as creative as I want to be. And it's your turtle, so I want to see you get creative and come up with your own ideas. I'm going to add just a little heart to my shell, I think. So cute. All right. Remember, have fun and be creative.